Your first deposit belongs to the broker. Yeah, I've seen so many strategies. Yeah, hata ingine zinaitwa the baddest.
Oh, actually, what do you trade and how has been trading lately?
I basically trade gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You love I'm a gold digger.
Apologize and withdraw, bro. How can you call me a gold digger? I just love gold.
Where else can you find a very deep conversation that is going to help you to elevate your journey in the Forex market, except here in the Forex Fusion podcast? Today, I have my co-host, Blue Boot Forex, and today we are having another conversation, a deep conversation that is going to be helping every type of trader, intermediate trader, a professional trader, or just a beginner. This conversation is for you. Welcome on board, my friend. How is the going?
Mi niko poa, mi niko bie.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Mi niko fiti kabisa. Business iko sawa. Actually, what do you trade and how has been trading lately?
Trading is not bad. Yes. I don't trade so many things. I basically trade gold. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I in my social science life, there is something we call knowing something about everything and everything about something. So you'll find people are trading Euro USD, USD JP card, they are trading US 30. Okay. So Euro, they are not masters in any specific thing. So I purely trade XAUSD as that now.
So is that it, or maybe why do you love? Are you a gold digger?
Apologize and withdraw, bro. How can you call me a gold digger? I just love gold. And again, who loves stones, bro? We are gold diggers in a way. So yeah, I love trading gold, XAUSD. Mm-hmm. That is because of its market volatility and it has a relatively high PIF value. So I'm and also my trading model, I'm purely intraday, and I don't want anything to keep for me waiting for so long. So I want something that would move quickly. And then determine my fate, whether profits or losses, and I'm done for the day. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. I've seen some people trading like stock, Forex, and maybe crypto.
Everything tradable, even fiber and oil.
Yes. When it comes to analyzing this market, let's talk about strategy. Mm-hmm. Are you really going to be using the same strategy? And which strategy? Some people are really asking which strategy does work out there. I've heard about ICT. I've heard some people using price action to trade.
All right.
You see, what can you say about strategies? And maybe do you really use the same strategy on gold?
You see, profitability is not about strategy.
Okay.
Yeah, I've seen so many strategies. Yeah, hata ingine zinaitwa the baddest.
Adding those names to look like the beast,
The baddest strategy, my guy.
The biggest.
So, strategies are so many. But I believe, you see, for me, I'm more of a psychology and emotion trader more than those strategic approaches. Because I don't believe in jargons and linguistics of the markets. I believe in the actual market feeling. How do you feel when you're engaging the market? Are you confident enough? Are you courageous enough? How do you manage when you're losses? Are you anxious? Are you scared? Now, those are the things that I try to balance up. But technically, I love theories because I'm so much relational to theories and how to make those particular theories now apply in the actual market space. So I trade Elliott wave theory, and I trade Cantor range theory. So CRT, it's just one of the best strategies that I can say, as well as Elliott wave, which is development of a guy called Nelson Elliott in 1938. He said market moves in a repetitive, predictable chart patterns, which actually are very easy to predict. You just need to follow specific guidelines and be able to get, to the root cause of the start of any impulse or diagonals. So those are the kind of stuff that I trade, and I find them very easy and straightforward. I don't want to complicate it. I just make it simple for me, the approach that I trade, and that's all. But basically, we have so many strategies. ICT traders, they are there. I think that is a development of Michael Hanson, the guy who made that ICT, an amazing coach. We also have smart money concepts where we talk of market break of structures and all that. We also have what we call pure price action. You'll hear people talking about double tops and double bottoms. You can imagine we still have some degree of spiritual intelligence. You'll hear people saying Forex is spiritual. I was praying in the mountain
And God gave me this strategy.
and told me to charge this amount to teach this strategy. So there is a lot of ways you can be able to get strategy, even through revelation.
Is
I
that
don't know.
an introduction to the something like cult in the Forex?
The what?
The cult.
No,
Like-
no. It's not. There is no cult. You see, if God can speak to you and tell you where to put your stop loss, why not put? And why not charge
Do you really believe in that?
$2,000 to
No.
what you learn from God?
Do you believe in that? Do you believe in that? God can just tell you put the stop loss here.
No. I'm a very religious being,
Yes.
and from the way I understand God, He is a very fair being. God is very lovely and kind, loving. So He can possibly do everything, but there is one thing that He does not compromise: God, His standards. There is no point of life when God can come too low to the level of doing what a human being can do. Let me give you an example. A man, the chair you are sitting in, probably they are made from wood, right?
Yes.
The chairs. So a man can make a chair from wood. Wood comes from the forest, but a man cannot make the forest.
Yes,
So
yes.
God does what human being cannot do. So He will make the tree. From the tree we cut, we make because if He comes to make chairs, He has reduced Himself to a level of human being.
Yes.
So if there is someone somewhere who can analyze the market very well, a human being, analyze, have a take profit, have a stop loss, apply risk management, put the correct lot size, calculate based on the equity and the margin. If there is someone who can do that, God in His own mightiness cannot even degrade Himself that low to come and do that for someone else when they are sleeping. So I don't believe God and prayer replaces personal responsibility at any point of life. But also there is a degree of talking from a religious side. I know we are very boring to others, but the Bible in the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2, the Bible says, invest in foreign exchange, and one of these days you will make profits. I know you are doubting. Go and confirm.
No.
So
I've seen
this
that.
is the only ASO that is endorsed by the scripture. This is the only business. Bible does not say farming. It says foreign exchange. So whoever looks down upon Forex, it is the only business which God endorsed. He did not say you sell chuma. He said foreign exchange. So from that perspective, there is some degree of religion, where we can relate to Forex, but entirely it's supposed to be a personal responsibility, and strategy is as a result of hard work, resilience, and mastery.
You know one thing that's interesting, huh? One thing I really don't like is when you put things about religious in some of them business, and you try to like God has taught you, like for example, let me even say this without even a point of contradiction. You see how this government is started. They started by saying, hey, in government ya Mungu, they started mentioning God everywhere.
Mi sahi nataka mabeshte walevi, bro. You know that I don't like church.
Yeah.
But by the way, anytime human being are very relational to scripture. Anytime you synchronize whatever product or service you are selling to religion, people will buy it.
That is now the point.
And
that's
you
why
manipulate
see,
people easily.
And that's why you see there some people can do that the same to the Forex. And you know what I'm going to say? These followers, these beginners, this person is legit. Don't you see this person?
He is a man of God.
This is a man of God. This is why no going to
Bro,
lie on this.
utaoshwa wewe. You will be
That's-
cleansed
Yeah.
and ironed. Utaoshwa na upakwa mafuta.
Now, now to summarize on that point of strategy. All right. So you're saying like So there's someone who want to get started on this strategy. Are you saying this as someone can go out there and just learn specifically on the alert wave?
No. As a beginner level, that is so complex for you. Start with the technical indicators and fail. That is where we start from. Put that MACD and parabolic SAR. Put it there. Blow your accounts.
RSI.
So this is, yeah, look at that double tops and double bottoms and hit all the stop losses, because that is where it starts. I don't want to lie to you. You see, Dan, me, I'm a very honest man.
Yes.
I'm a truthful man.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. As far as truth is uncomfortable, I believe it's for me it's a very nice thing to say. Okay,
That's the guarantee.
that, yeah, 90% chances. So don't even put much. If you just starting, because I put $1,000 was my first deposit. So I was like, hata sina ningekuwa na like a 50, 100.
Yeah.
Because your first deposit as a forex trader, you are learning, bro. You don't know anything about these charts. So just embrace and don't start trading gold like I did. Start with the Euro USD, something that has
because of volatility and
yeah, eventually you will lose that money, but choose to lose it with some degree of decency. Okay, lose decently, all right, over time, because now when you are losing that $30, $20, you are engaging with the market and you are learning. So you will now understand risk management very well. So as a result, now you will be able to manage your strategy. As you said, strategy should even incorporate risk management plan.
Yes,
So strategy you develop over time. You will see, I have developed my own working strategy. This means you stayed in the charts long enough to understand what works and what does not work. All right. So a strategy is something you build over time, and that is why I encourage people start simple. Don't go, because if a beginner comes right now and then you tell them we are looking for a breaker block and a mitigation block to take entries from that point of interest and a liquidity sweep to the downside. So now we are looking for buys. You are telling what to a beginner? A beginner wants to see MACD crossover. She learns these links are lagging. Now, can I get an information that will give me an edge before the market plays out? Then you say, oh yeah, the last candle to print here before this impulsive move that led to a break of structure is probably an order block, and from this order block the market might play out. Now we are talking about the 8th month of trading, but if you just joined first week, learn about basics, babypips.com. Start with the basics. What is a quote currency? What is a base currency? What is a major currency? What is a minor currency? What are exotics? What has more PIP value? All right. Study those things. What is a PIP? What is spread? Those are the things now the beginner, because so many gurus even don't know what those things are. Kuna mzito, utaona mzito fulani forex guru, but ukimuliza bro, what is spread?
anaekelea tu kuekelea.
What is lot size? So as a beginner, start simple, then scale up. That is how the system works. But ukianza saa hii uanze kusoma introduction to ICT concepts, ni itakuwa ngumu kidogo. Itakuwa ngumu.
Yeah. So there's someone out there who can, someone can just sit down and develop his own strategy, and if that strategy working, can stick to that.
Yeah, you stick to that.
Instead of just going and like Elliott Wave is something that is developed by just a trader.
Yeah, someone.
ICT is just for a trader. You can basically go and develop your own
strategy
as long
actually.
as it works. You see now. There's someone who want to skip all these things. I'm very busy. I don't have time to learn about a lot wave. I don't have time to develop my own strategy. And I want to make money with Forex.
Okay.
Bro, can you help me? I have money. I have $1,000. I have $20,000 here. Can I give you my account? You manage for me. You share. We're going to share. Oh, why?
Bring your dude for management. We use the baddest. Okay, this is it, guys. Anything to do with account management, let me announce it here. Frankly, it's fraudulent, it's misleading, it's venomous, it's malignant, it's repugnant, it's theft, it's robbery, it's thuggery. You don't want to give your money to be managed by anybody. All right? This is because of the reasons I'm going to explain. Dan.
Yes.
You see, it's very good people stop beating around the bush. Proof of profitability is money.
Bro, you are saying is someone of men. There's someone who sent
No.
my account and then managed to.
Proof that you are profitable is you having money. So why do you want to trade other people's money if you are profitable enough? Why is it that you don't want to trade your own? That is the first thing. The second thing is when I give you my account, you see, I've shared with you my logins,
Yes.
and probably you can treat that account like a demo account because you don't know my struggles. All right. So you can trade my money like a demo account because you are not emotionally connected to my money.
Yeah, no.
And then you are
emotional
going to
touch
lose that
yeah.
money. Probably you might flip it by luck because you don't even care trading it with demo, like a demo. So you can just flip it and then make me think that is how it works. And then
Yeah.
you tell me I'm done. Now get back your money and trade. So for me, I'll be projecting to make what you made when you are not trading emotionally. The other thing, suppose now instead of flipping it blew. And I cannot go if you give your money for management, you cannot do anything about that thing because unless there is any binding agreement, that is when you can now approach the authorities.
Now tell me why is it that these people prefer account management than copy trading? Because I think copy trading is more safer than giving someone your details to trade for you. What are these people avoiding? Maybe
You see,
what do you think they're avoiding?
they want quick gains very quickly. For someone who is doing copy trading, they are trading their own live accounts.
Okay.
Realistically, they will target, let's say, 8 or 9%. All right.
Yes.
If they're targeting 8 or 9%, and you have $100, this means you are making around $9 or $10. Okay.
Yes.
So this money is very small, but it is sustainable in the long run. But in account management, someone wants to flip your money because he is not trading. You see, when I'm trading my own account and then you are copying, that's what we call copy trading. So anytime you lose, I'm the one who has lost.
And there's a high probability that those people who do account management on their side, they don't even have their own live account.
Yeah.
They're using other people's accounts.
Yeah. Sure. So the account management, you cannot have your own account.
Yeah,
You cannot. They only trade. Hey, those people they just ask you your money to trade for you. Then they blow it up, or maybe they flip it up. So they can blow 5 accounts to flip one. Once they flip that one, they post on social media. More accounts for management. They come. That is how they survive. And I can guarantee you that's a bad thing. You don't want your money to be handled. Treat your money with respect. Respect money. Money respects you back. So I would advise people to opt for copy trading as long as it might be slow, but at least it's sustainable because this person, anytime I make a loss of $20, it is that person who has lost first. So I cannot trade casually just to make you lose. All right.
Yeah.
Because when you lose, I'm the one who has lost first.
Yeah. So you see, one thing that really has enticed people to go to the account management is why they see someone just recording a screenshot of him just reaching $200 to $1,000 in 5 minutes, and you see someone out there, you just want, I have my 30,000 here. Why don't I give this guy this money? And then you just convert my 30,000 to 100,000. And you see, the funny part is what people really don't know is that maybe that is the only unaona ile tunasemanga ndio imeingiana. It's only the deal that went so well. Other deals you don't know behind the tent what happened. Yeah, and that maybe that is what enticed people to give those traders their accounts
for management. You see, let me tell you something about money. Money has never been easy to make at any point.
Yeah.
And even if I flip that account for you, you cannot sustain that. You see, Dan, let me tell you something. Money is a mindset that you build. So if I convert 30,000 to 100,000, the question is not whether I have done so. That is possible. The problem is, can I repeat it tomorrow and the day after tomorrow? Sustainability.
Yeah. By the way.
So you find that this account management is not sustainable. So someone can flip that account to 100,000 from 30,000 shillings, then all of a sudden blow it up. Because why are hedge funds targeting 9 or 12% per year? And they're the ones who have billions.
Sustainability.
Yeah. Sustainability is key. It becomes like lottery. When you just, it's a betting of some sort. When I just flip that account, because bro, let me tell you something. You see, for you to be a millionaire, That is a place you mentioned or made your first million and the excitement. If millionaire is not a status quo, millionaire is a personality. If you give someone who is someone chewing cat somewhere kwa bezi ya mguka tu umpe milioni mbili, that guy is not a millionaire. He's just a guy with 2 million. Millionaire is his status. If you want to confirm, come after 6 months, you will find the guy with 2 million now has 0. Okay.
Yes,
But you, because now you know the networks and what you need to go to get another million, even if you go broke today, in the next 3-6 months, you will bounce back again to making your first million.
Very correct.
All right. So this means even if I flip your account to from 50,000 to 200,000, that is not sustainable. Eventually, I'm going to lose it. But if I project to make 10,000 a week, and that is 40,000 a month, for example, and that one is sustainable over time. Aggregate, it might take time, but now I am in the way to making it. Actually, we have two kinds of people. People who seem to be making it and people who are making it. And guess what? The people who seem to be making it, they are not making it. Because someone will be making, let's say, 200,000 Kenya shillings in a week. All right. So you might think this guy is making it. You are making only 40,000 or 20,000. But I can guarantee you something will happen once. And that person has nothing to show for it. But for you, you have been compounding. All right. And even if you lose, it's 10,000. So you know you have a good risk to reward ratio. So this thing called win rate.
Yes.
Win rate is another thing that messes people up. People believe that you need 100% win rate. Actually, you need 40%. 40% win rate. I don't know. You need 40% win rate to succeed in Forex. What you need to have is a good risk to reward ratio.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, if you risk $50 for 150, even if you have 3 losing day on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you lose consecutively. That will be $150 in loss. All right. Then you say on Thursday and a Friday you get it right. Remember the risk to reward ratio is 1:3. So you will be 150 times 2. That is 300. Even if you subtract the initial 150, you are still closing your week in profit. So for me, I would choose a strategy which has, because now these are the components of a good strategy. Number one, it should have a good risk to reward ratio. Whatever the strategy, hata kama ni the baddest strategy, or whatever the strategy, hata kama imetoka from the Holy Spirit, make sure it has a good risk to reward ratio. Number 2, it has a risk management plan. And number 3, it is at least consistent within specific hours. You see, one thing that is going to make you profitable quickly is trading one asset at one specific session and probably one trading approach.
Yes.
Yeah, but don't be scattered. Like today Euro USD, tomorrow US30. Yeah, that is. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Yeah, so we'll continue with this conversation because I know it is going deep and deep. Not to explain about risk management, the strategies out there. You know, just give someone who wants to get you started there into the Forex market and just an advice, you know. We like beginners, you know. Kuna watu wakikua sana hawezi adviceika. But you can really advise someone who just want to get started in the Forex market. What can you say?
If you're getting started in Forex market, number 1, it's not gonna be easy, but it's worth it. I guarantee you on that. So take time, invest much on learning, invest in yourself, better your discipline, and I guarantee you it's gonna be easy over time. All right. And then practice one specific thing. I'm a fan of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee alikuwa ule jamaa wa kung fu. Zile vita za China za kitambo. The guy said, I do not fear a man who has practiced 10,000 kicks. I fear a man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. That is the power of one specific approach, one consistent pair, one consistent session that is going to shorten your journey. And, you know, always we train hard to fight easy. It applies everywhere.
Thank you so much.
Asante, man.
Thank you so much for the insight. Obvious, thank you so much. I hope this conversation is taking you deep to more understanding of the Forex. I really want to encourage you to stay connected. Every time we have an episode, make sure that you follow that, because you know this is going to make you even more mature. You know, we have keys in the Forex market and we have really professional, let's say mature people in the Forex market, and this is going to make you one kind of a giant Forex trader. Don't miss out. We'll be coming with that next episode. I think episode number 7 or 8. Thank you so much for following. And if you have any question, make sure that you leave it in the comment section. We'll be checking them out and we'll be answering them in the next episode. And don't forget, we'll actually be mentioning actually top commenters in this podcast. Right? Bye bye and see you in the next one.